getting everything all secured. We're all hooked up, packed up, ready to go. Got off work a little early, getting ready for the weekend. Mohican State Park. Emily and I, Raymond, taking Scarlet. Heading there, meet some friends, Chuck, Cherie, Barry, Cheryl, Tom, Vasana. I think Gary's coming for Friendsgiving. We're going to all do some feasting and some food and just some good times. But we never camp this late in the season, and it's cold. We're looking at, well, it's 36 in here. Super cold. So we got extra propane, we got electric blankets, heaters, we got lots of wood for fires. Yeah, so it should be a great time. Hopefully it doesn't snow. I never towed in the snow. We'll see. I heard there is some snow coming on the way down there. We might run into some, but you know, we'll figure it out. And excited, can't wait. So see what's what. Well, it is snowing. Looks like it's sticking a little bit. Hopefully the drive there is good. Everybody's safe. Just go slow. Watch out for other people. Yeah, so we're going camping. Never did this late. Thanks, Chuck. Thanks, Cherie, inviting us on this one. Chuck, I got the fishing poles in there. Said we're gonna maybe go for some trout. I'm not a big fan of ice fishing, buddy, but I'll bring them just in case. We'll give it a shot. But yeah, we're all hooked up. Truck's warming up. About to pull out. Chuck, what are you doing here, buddy? Hope we got a lot of firewood. I got half a truck full. I'm sure you guys do. It's snowing. It's not just snowing, it's a blizzard. So this will be a first for me, first ram. I'm really excited. I can't wait. But damn, it's cold. I'm gonna get moving. You want to go outside? Yeah.
It's good Sue burgers right there if I've ever seen them. Yeah. Cherie, I need a hand or ganging up on my ass. Good job, Sue.
It's a lot of burgers, Chuck.
It's a lot of burgers, man.
How many people you expected?
I know, right?
We got Master Chef and Sous Chef 1 and Sous Chef 2. Behind the scenes.
We've got our chopping order.
Yeah. We have been abused all weekend. Abusive.
And it's only Friday.
Absolutely.
And it's only Friday. I never did try the banana cream. Okay.
I got Birkenstocks. Yeah, but you're cold.
Did it snow before you got there? Or did it
What?
snow? Yeah, we couldn't get in until
What are you doing, Baker? What are you doing?
John called him and said, hey, when you guys plow, let us know.
What's that good though? You're begging, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Huh. Thanks, buddy. Haven't tried my burger yet, but it smells amazing.
Bottle, man, there's about $40 worth of wood.
Maybe 60.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Scarlet, what are you doing? What are you doing? Did you meet Gus? Where's Gus? Oh, look at him go. Hi, Pop. Hi. Oh my gosh, hello. Hi there. What's in there? What is it? Oh, hi.
You want to say hi? He'll probably like it.
Oh.
Hi, good boy, Gus. Good boy. She's our friend. Good boy, Gus. Good boy.
You got a friend?
Good boy.
Okay.
Good boy.
I think you're her best friend. I wonder why.
That's a good boy.
Oh.
Good.
Mm-hmm. You stop that begging. Begging dog. Well, it was a pretty chilled night outside. A lot of firewood, keep us warm. Inside the camper was 70s. It was comfortable. This place is pretty amazing. Guess there were some guys out here trout fishing this morning. Yesterday morning they were actually catching them, so maybe we'll try a little bit later. Me and Ray, Chuck, Tom. Try to throw some lines out and maybe catch some trout. I know I ain't going in that water though. Yeah, it was a good night. A lot of good people. Good food. Chuck, you smoked them burgers. Money. Having a good time. It's beautiful out here. Emily and Ray are still in bed. Scarlet wanted out, so that's why I'm out here. It's a little chilly. Probably in the 20s. It's the coldest we ever camped. It's not bad. It's nice. Extends our season a little bit. You know, last year we had the camper winterized by middle of September. And you know, come December, January, we're bored out of our minds, cabin fever. So, I'm glad we waited. We got one more trip next week. I'm gonna go to Mosquito. Might be the last one, but who knows? This weather has been crazy. But it's beautiful out here. A lot of people. A lot more people than I thought there'd be. I thought we'd be the only crazy ones out here, but it's a good bit of people. Lots of campers. You can count the big fires last night. What do you got?
There's like 50 of them.
Yeah, I saw one.
What do you got?
See? Look at that.
Bunch of
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I kind of spooked them, but they were all screwed up together. I saw at least 12 of them.
You just gotta go quiet. What a great day it's turned out to be. Just cold. Oh, yep. I just saw one.
Yeah, I see them. Oh.
Yep. All right, there's some promise there. Good eyes. What happened, buddy? Where's your fish?
I found him up too fast.
How big was he? Shut up.
I swear to God. Maybe bigger, I don't know. He was heavy.
What'd you use?
Just an egg.
Use one of those. Oh, okay. With the weighted hook?
Yeah.
Nice.
I was jigging it too.
Okay. Did you see him hit it or?
No, he was under the bridge.
Oh, so you never saw him.
He was heavy.
All right, buddy. What you got there? Oh yeah.
What's that? Is it a rainbow or a...
They're rainbow, yeah.
All right, that's my first trout.
Nice, buddy.
You usually lip them?
I just grabbed mine, but your hand's gonna be cold. I never caught one before, but yeah, good fish.
Do you want them?
No, I'm not keeping them. With all the food we got. Look at the color on him. He'd make some good dinner. Look at him. That hooked him pretty good. It's the first time I ever caught a trout. Ever in my life. I'm a trout fisherman. Raymond, you're next. On there? Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Alright, now get him over. Nice, nice. Oh, shit. He's like, I know which way to go, and it's that way. Nice save.
They got teeth?
No, I don't. I mean, you tell me.
Really? Oh, yeah. I can't even hold them in this.
It's okay.
Okay, not bad.
Let me see him. Oh, look how pretty.
I know. Jeez. Can't even
Man, we would have had lunch today.
I know.
Nice catch, buddy. Okay.
It's pretty.
Yeah, look at them colors. Alright, get him back in the water.
You ready?
Yeah. See you, buddy. Heck yeah.
It wasn't even too cold.
Nice catch.
Thank you.
I think we all got one.
You got one?
I'm coming walking up just to see, okay, what's happening. Yeah, it's a doubleheader. Isn't this something? I'll be damned. Here I am, working. And look at these guys. Look at these guys. These guys are out here enjoying life, having fun. The rest of them are out hiking. My buddy Tom, I'm gonna stay back with Chuck. He over there. And everybody wants the damn food to be done by 4. Isn't that something?
Is the turkey done?
No, it's not done. I know, right? I told them, I said, I got a special piece of turkey for you. Okay? What you guys got? Let's see it. Look at these guys. Look at those guys.
Nice one.
That is. Nice job, guys.
Nice job.
All right.
Good job, buddy.
Keep at it. Keep at it. What we got, Tom? We got any, Tom? You got 3 on, but landed 1? Can you see them, or are you guys just... Okay. All right. Nice job, fellas. Phone's full. My phone's full.
I got enough
phone's
to get your
full.
fish, Chuck.
I got the biggest freaking trout there. My phone's full.
Oh, sorry, can't record
I know,
anymore.
right?
What are the odds? There you go. Look, Chuck's a trout fisherman.
Look at this, guys.
Oh yeah,
Look
pretty.
at this. She'll never
Pretty
believe
fish.
it. Even though it's on video, she'll say they hooked it and gave it to me. She'll say something, but look at that.
Nice catch,
It's a
buddy.
pretty fish, huh?
Sure is.
Now let's go catch and cook
Yeah.
before she get back.
Yeah, we'll go eat it real quick.
Yeah.
Well, they're lost. They might not be back anytime soon, so
Right.
we got time.
Shit.
All right.
Okay,
It
perfect.
was worth it.
It was.
Cool. Hi, Cherie.
What?
I don't know where we are.
Good.
We were supposed to
No.
be back a long time ago.
Yeah, Gary said Gary left y'all.
We're going in the wrong. He did. So did Barry and Cheryl.
Yeah.
They're like, we ain't going that way.
Yeah.
We took a wrong turn.
Typical.
And the dude we ran into, it's a mile. I think we're going on 3 miles now.
Who are
The
you?
wrong way.
Who are you with? Still.
Just Phil, the kids, me, and Vasana.
Okay, good. At least you got a group.
Yeah. And Gus.
Well,
But keep the turkey warm if we don't make it back in time.
Yeah.
It's been a great journey with you.
hey, so the real deal is this.
Okay.
I'm out at the river fishing right now.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I take it all back. I take it back. Everything.
Nope. So I'm over there making this turkey, doing my thing, and Ray says, "Oh my gosh, can you get away? Please, can you get away?" I said, "I got 5 minutes, Ray." So I come up and I see what they're doing. Ray and Ray got double headers. They got trout. They're catching fish up here. Okay.
You got catch and cook?
No, listen, they're catching fish and releasing fish. So I come up.
Yeah.
Ray's kind enough, he allows me to use his fishing pole, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I say, "Ray, I got 5 minutes." And then guess what happens? You call.
That's my intuition.
You know what I'm saying?
I felt it.
And then my 5 minutes are up because I got to deal with this nonsense. You again.
Dude, he's fishing. He's not worried about us.
Exactly.
All right, then.
All right, then. Love y'all.
All right, then. Love you. Bye.
Search has been going for a little while. We still got a little ways to go. But we just gonna take a look see. So they don't know, but I made those for the doggies. Look at that. Ham's going. We'll glaze that ham.
Chuck, that's a
Looking good.
nice looking meat locker.
Looking good. We're at about 135 degrees on the turkey right now.
Nice.
Assembly line.
Yeah.
I'm over here being judged
Yeah.
by
You should-
my role.
You should be used to it.
I'm so used to it. I just said that. Getting yelled at over here.
What are
Cherie,
these?
You're gonna need some
What do you
more
call
glue.
these?
These are homemade spring rolls.
Oh my gosh.
So there's ground pork, celery, onions, carrots, vermicelli noodles. It sounds amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait to love you.
How do you now? What do you cook them? How do you cook them?
I just
Fry 'em
fry
or-
'em.
Nice.
Look at him going.
Sealed with a
Look at
kiss.
her.
Oh, there you go. Looks great.
Now I'm gonna have to make it.
Yes, you are. Now do you know how?
Good.
That's it. Listen, you're not sealing. I'm not sealing properly.
You're not. 'Cause you ain't no damn sous chef. You ain't like, I mean, look at you.
I'm doing it this time.
Yeah, I'd like to monitor what the heck you got going on.
I'm gonna
Just
need some
fine.
of that video for
Stay
my...
on it, Vasana. She needs it.
I know.
All right, ladies. Nice job. We appreciate you.
Now you're leaving us.
Yep, we out it. Going back to the fire. See y'all.
Let's go get a drink.
Yeah, I like some. How about this free game? I cannot believe she did. Sure, you can play.
Cornbread in it too. Taste it. Yeah. Pretty thick. Good. Good. Perfect.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thanks to a great dinner.
Cheers, everybody.
Yes, thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, everyone. Happy Friends Thanksgiving.
What are you guys doing?
Wish you could slide into my mind.
So we're walking around the rig here. It's filthy. And we live pretty close to a truck wash. The Blue Beacon truck wash. And never been through a truck wash. So I figure we'll get the camper, get this off the camper, off the truck. I don't know what it costs, but it should be interesting. filthy. But it looks like we're gonna be waiting a while. Wait for the truck wash. Oh. Dude's getting treats. Good out. Oh, that's heating. Look at that. Truck wash did a really nice job. Yeah. We're home. We're unloading. I'd say it was worth it. Cost $34. And I don't have to come out here and rinse all that salt off from the road. It's still cold. It's about 27. Good stuff. So that was a really fun weekend. This is the coldest we've ever camped. I mean, it got down below 20s, maybe 15 degrees, I'm not sure. Nice hot fire last night. Was the only way. We were out till about 2 o'clock in the morning, and just having a good time, campfire times. It was really cold, and woke up this morning and I couldn't dump my tanks because the valves were frozen, which I figured, and I forgot my heat gun, so I'll throw that in the stow for next trip. Ray and Emily had a good time, did some trout fishing. Ray and I caught our first trout, which was pretty cool. Got Tom and Chuck got on the action too, and it was just a really fun time. Mohican State Park, definitely would like to try that again.
In plain sight all along, I think it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the